Hi students, coming to the next testing methodology, so that is the integration testing. So in the previous video I explained about the unit testing. Now let us see what is this integration testing. The purpose of integration testing is to, let me write that point, the purpose of integration testing is to expose faults in the interaction between the integration unit, in the interaction between integrated units. So the mainly it is the focus on the here the purpose, the main use of the integration testing is to expose the faults. How can it expose the faults? In while there is an interaction between the integrated units, you will get some faults, the faults will be raised, so that you have to be tested by using integration testing. So the integration testing is a process of testing. Let me write the definition for that. The integration testing is the process of testing the interface between two software units or modules. So what it's saying, integration testing is nothing but it is a process of testing the interface between two software units. Means here two software units are there, so the testing that is done on the interface between two software units. So this is interfacing and interfacing. These two interfacing units are combined and clubbed into one module. So here we are performing integration testing. The process of testing the interfaces between two software units or modules. So integration testing can be done in three ways. It can be done in three ways. So what are the three ways? The first one is Big Bang approach. So second, top-down approach. And the third one is bottom-up approach. So these are the three ways of integration testing. Now let us see the first one, that is a Big Bang approach. So what is this Big Bang approach? So Big Bang approach is combining all the modules once and verifying the functionality after completion of individual module testing. So actually the integration testing is nothing but we are just combining the modules and we are testing on that modules. That is the unit modules has to be integrated and tested. So that is integration testing. So one of the approach here is a Big Bang approach. So what this Big Bang approach is doing, it is combining all the modules once. So this thing you have to be note down. All the modules once and combining all the modules once and verifying the functionality after completion of individual module testing. So that is the Big Bang approach. So the main thing here, the Big Bang approach is you have to combine all the modules once and verify the functionality after the completion of individual module testing. So here modules will be there. So these modules will be integrated. Again, this will be integrated. Okay, so here the Big Bang approach is we have to combine all the modules once and verify the functionality. When you are going to verify the functionality? After the completion of the individual module test. So this will be done on with the help of unit test. Okay, so this will be done, the test will be done on these individual modules with the help of unit test. So after completion of this individual module testing, you have to combine all the modules once and verify the functionality. Then you have to verify the functionality. Only after the completion of the individual module test only you have to verify the functionality. Means once here we are checking, even though we are checking, by combining the two modules again you have to check. So the checking done here is called integration testing. So this integrated testing we are done by using Big Bang approach. Means we are combining all modules once at a time. Okay, let me take a simple example. Let us take this is unit test A module. Okay, or else you take another unit test B module and unit test H module. So these are the different modules. So we are done unit test on each module, each smallest element of the module. So after that you have to combine all the modules once. Okay, you have to combine all the modules once and you are making one system. So that is a system wide test. This is a Big Bang. A Big Bang approach is nothing but you are combining all the modules once and you are verifying all the modules by using system wide test. Means you are doing a system wide test. So this has to be done only after the completion of the unit module test only. So after the completion of the unit module test, you have to combine all the units, all the modules, and you have to test at a time, and you have to verify the functionality. So this is a Big Bang approach, and the remaining two approaches I'll explain in the coming video. Thank you.